So if you want to, what you can also do is you can insert out drawings in the Gantt chart area in Microsoft Project. So to do that, if you were to click on Gantt chart format tab right here, you can go around over here onto the drawings, and then here you can access out different shapes. Let's say, for example, if you were to click on arrow, then you can insert an arrow right here. You can also click and go around and drag it out right here. Click on the arrow right here and move the points to change the arrow direction as well. You can go around, add in an arc, let's say, for example. You can go around, add an oval as well right here. You can go around and even make custom shapes right here by clicking, and by double clicking it encloses into a shape. You can bring in a line and even a text box, as you can see, by clicking and dragging, and you can go around and type in the text as you wish, and you can double click right here to get its properties as well. So you can see that this is the text right here, and you can click anywhere to re-edit it, add in space and so forth right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see, and then these are the shapes, and these are in the timeline, as you can see right here, and as I move the Gantt chart, the shapes move along as well. But if I were to zoom out, then the shapes no longer resizes, you can see, but it is attached to the timeline area, so but it does not actually resize along with the timeline grid right here, but it does stay on the place where you keep them. And that is how you can go around and insert out drawings inside of Microsoft Project Gantt chart area. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.